The backup para kay Tax Fujimoto in the last UAAP season. Running attack naman, Mitzi Panangin. Again, one season 87 para dito sa panig ng Ateneo in this tournament. Panangin does it again.
Ang ganda ng setup again.
Ubaldo, quick hit papunta kay Yarina. Nabasa naman ang depensa ng Ateneo. Matibag, straight into the hands but it's still alive. Ubaldo, El Yarina. Hindi pa rumarang si El Yarina. Nice again, no, she's gonna get it over. Ubaldo, running attack ngayon para kay Panangin. Casey Cortez, Zay Pasha, cross court. Zay Pasha again, veterano na, veteran status na ito with Arroyo. Quick play for De Leon.
Ito yung nangyari dyan. Ito sa a good first ball kaya napatakbo nila yung middle and there was only one.
Petalio has been quiet on offense. Cortez, nice delay. Papunta kay Isan Esperos.
The opposite hitter kasi mas malapit siya sa outside eh. Kikita mo, nahirapan yung blockers.
Ang layo na. Combo. Matibag with the left hand.
Good pancake.
And Bacanques to get it across. Cortez goes to another misdirection from Jihan Chuatil. Pamimigay ni Esperos. Ubaldo combination.
Wow.
And there she goes. Jers Petal.
Pick up sila ng pace nila and even the sets are lower so that you have faster attacks.
5'5", huh? This time fielded well by Arroyo. No blockers for Don.
On two ni Cortez yung bola. And then there you go.
Benta kay Panangin eh. Ubaldo, Pendon down the line.
Take advantage of that.
Ito yung ginugroom nilang pamalit kay Chenny Tagaod. Off the bench, Panangin. Arroyo, Cortez, Chuatico. Boy, Ateneo taking the first set. Ubaldo. Ang taas ang able to read that. Lopez into the defense. They'll try again. And Don Chuatico with the kill block.
Yung block kung saan ibibigay yung bola. And look at this replay. Akala mo kay El Arena pero hindi sila naloko doon.
Nakaabang talaga. Kaka. Lopez. Jump serve once again. Arroyo, Fujimoto, back set ngayon.
Nice.
And again, Ateneo. Fujimoto on the back set to Montoro.
That was a good save. Nice serve. Good reception.
KC goes to Alex. And she finds the line. Nice serve. Miranda. Oh, wow, what a quick setup para kay Anasis.
Yeah.
He's not in uniform today. Arroyo, make that Fujimoto, sending it to Montoro.
Good save.
Bubuhayin ni Petalio. Fujimoto, where does she go? Montoro on the line. Montoro. They'll go back to Alex. Cut shot.
Kita mo how she avoided Salak for that.
Ubaldo on the serve. Montoro. Naabangan ni Jazz. Alam mo, team na yung mga celebs up. Fujimoto running attack. And how about the 5'5" jersey? Montoro. Wow, Suplico is still there. Jers Petalio over the defense again.
At hindi mo ngayon.
With Kaka Miranda, we'll find Miranda. What a serve by Kaka. Fujimoto. Esperos.
Nice. Ito yung nangyari dyan. Ganda ng setup. Oh. Blockers were there actually, but she find the gap in between the antenna and the block.
Announcer today who's actually doing a good job. Cross court. Inapol ni Suplico. Pendon!
Wow, the time yung tira niya.
Yan na talk about hang time from Kyle Pendon.
Wow.
Down the middle goes Doname. So pang-blocking na nila yan.
Ooh, what a serve!
Doname De Leon. Alas Loresco. Pwede ba yun?
Oo nga.
Oo.
They earned it.
Yes. Especially the youngsters yan. Si Loresco, si Nitura. Yung mga coming out of college. What a hit coming from Devosora.
O medyo nag-FEU and nobody was prepared from the Ateneo side.
Yan ang diin. Ang ginawa doon itong si Eliza Devosora taking her place. Matibag. Kaka, back set.
Nice. Oh,
Still
pwede
alive,
pa.
oh. Binuhay pa rin. Pasha gets it across, almost scores. Matibag. Oh, Asis gets it in.
Yeah.
3-point lead now for the Lady Tamaras. Arroyo. Oh, somehow Chuatico gets it across. Petalio. Abutan pa ito ni Arroyo. Free ball given up by Fujimoto. Miranda. Middle attack coming from Asis. Habol si Fujimoto. But could not. On the line for Pendon. Over the defense. Ang bilis ni Supli ko talaga. Miranda going to Petalio, who gets it off the hand.
Ang hinhin.
Donna May. The battle at the net kept alive by Clan Loresco. She attacks. Turned back by Donna May de Leon. Miranda running attack by Loresco. That's one of the most deadly moves. Middle blocker position. Miranda again. I'm telling you that Loresco running attack is so difficult out when we return. Petalio the target. Combination. Eliza Devosora.
Yeah, I like it.
Kaka. Petalio. Oh, wow.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach. It's over.
Nako, over.
Oh, good day.
Hindi naligpit nitong si Chuatico.
Oh, wow.
Move coming from Casey Cortez. Especially pag frontliner siya.
Inside.
He's at his... Good reception from Arroyo. Matibag. Miranda sending it to again. Cheers, Petalio.
Her hitting that down the line.
Smaller hitter siya eh. Bilis. Another one.
Yun din yung sinasabi ni Coach Sir.
Miranda. Ayan na naman si Loresco.
Kita mo yung hat.
And the only people who see this is Miranda to Loresco. First technical timeout. Yung mga perspective ba? He said you want to look at these people. Mentioned Clan Loresco. Tapos
Oh, that's
on
why.
cue, Clan Loresco with the block. That's something that's going to be interesting to note.
Oh, my goodness.
And Jersey. How about a 10-1 run right now?
Oh,
And more coming from Petalio. Serves. KC. And
Nice.
De Leon finds the corner.
Yeah, ang ganda.
Another good one from Pasha. Miranda to Asis. And De Leon with a block point.
Yeah.
Shot
Ooh.
malapit sa net. And thankfully, Tanchi touched it. Petalio! Sinubo sa kamay ni Nisteros. Points naman para dito sa Far Eastern University. Habol si Cortez. Alana Tanchi. And that is blocked by Anasis.
Kailangan ibahin.
9 match points. Pendon. Quick attack. Selga. That is out. And the Far Eastern University.